In this video, I'll show you how to check your orders in the TikTok affiliate dashboard step by step. First, open TikTok and log in to your account. Now access the TikTok Shop Creator or TikTok affiliate dashboard. After entering the platform, go to the main menu. Look for the Earnings option. Click on Earnings to view your income information. Now find the Affiliate Orders option. Inside this section, you will see all orders generated through your affiliate links. Here you can check details such as products sold, order status, and commission amounts. You can track which orders are confirmed or completed. You can see which products are performing better. This helps you understand what works best for your audience. You can also monitor completed orders and payments. This makes it easier to improve your affiliate strategy.